Welcome to my YouTube channel SoftAcademy. Who are watching this tutorial session new, for them just a little bit of introduction about my channel and about me. In this tutorial channel SoftAcademy, I uploads videos on different Oracle technologies and Unix technologies like Oracle SQL, that is structured query language, Oracle PL SQL programming, Oracle forms and reports development, Oracle database architecture and design, Oracle database administration, and also Oracle performance tuning. Okay, so this is about the channel, and I already uploaded many videos as you see in my screen, so you can just watch one by one, and all the topics I have covered, which I already said about the Oracle and Unix technologies. Almost all the topic I have shared some videos, and just watch the video, all the videos one by one, and whenever you watching any video, you just watch it from the start to the end, so that you can just understand the topic well, because I have described everything in I have described each topic in each video in detail and easy and understandable way, so that after watching the video you just learn the topic well and make your skill. Okay, and after watching any video, if this video was helpful for your learning, and if this my video have added some value to your learning, just give a like and comment below about the video, and also subscribe my channel so that you can get the notification for my next video, and also share my video with your friends, colleagues, and others who you know, so that they can also learn from my video and make their skills as well. Okay, so that's about my tutorial channel SoftAcademy, and about me, my name is Rabin, and I'm a senior Oracle consultant as well as technical and corporate trainer and interviewer. So I have total of 17 plus years of experiences working with different Oracle and Unix technologies, as I already said, in different MNC companies. There are multiple MNCs I have worked with, and in multiple positions. So currently I am a senior Oracle consultant as well as technical and corporate trainer. I have been I've been providing training on different Oracle and Unix technologies during last 10 years to various candidates, corporate employees, and also new joiners to any MNC companies. And also I have been taking interviews for MNC companies when they are recruiting people. I have been taking interviews for them. So this is about me and about my channel in a short. So now I'll discuss today's topic. So today I will discuss a new topic. So today's topic is in this video I'll discuss about Oracle Rollback Segment. Okay, so this will be very much helpful for experienced Oracle developer, and also who are eager to learn Oracle in detail, and also Oracle database administrator who are working as a Oracle database administrator, and this will be very helpful for them also. So I'll discuss one by one. The point is, number one is what is rollback segment, number two, what are the benefits of rollback segment, and number three, how many rollback segment are there in Oracle. Okay, so first of all, what is a rollback segment? If you just follow my YouTube channel, and I already uploaded one video on Oracle logical database structure, so just you can watch that video in my channel, and after watching you can understand that what is a table space. So a segment basically belongs to a table space, and there are various many segments can exist inside a table space, and one of the important table segment is rollback segment. So what is the rollback segment? So rollback segment or undo segment, it is also called undo segment, which basically holds the uncommitted data of a particular transaction. Okay, so I have already uploaded one video for Oracle transactions. If I can just yes, this is the Oracle transaction. The previous video was on Oracle transaction. I have described everything in detail: commit, rollback, and save point. What are their how they works, and what are the impact of them, on database. Okay, so just watch that video. And so I repeat, what is rollback segment. So rollback segment basically, or undo segment, basically holds the uncommitted data of a particular transaction. Okay, so when a transaction is over, that means when we commit or rollback is transaction, that means the transaction is completed or over. So when a transaction is over, it becomes free. The rollback segment becomes free for helping other transaction as well. Okay, so I repeat, rollback segment or undo segment is basically holds the uncommitted data of a particular transaction, and when a transaction is over, it becomes free for helping to other transactions. Okay, so that is a rollback segment. And what are the benefits of rollback segment? So there are many benefits of rollback segment. First one is undo. It undo the changes when a particular transaction is rolled back, because we know rollback segment holds the uncommitted data, as I already explained. Rollback segment, since rollback segment hold the uncommitted transaction, so it undo the changes when a transaction is rolled back. And second benefit is when a database fails, in case of database failure, we recover the database to a consistent level. Okay, consistent state. Okay, so in case of database failure, we can recover the database from rollback segment to a consistent state. Okay, that is the second benefit. And third benefit is it ensures the read consistency. That means other transaction do not see uncommitted changes made to the database. Okay, so there are maybe various users working with the same database using multiple client system. So whenever many transactions, there are maybe many transactions are happening at the same time. So when a user perform some transaction and it is not committed, so this uncommitted transactions or uncommitted data is stored in the rollback segment, and this ensures the read consistency. That means other transaction do not see the uncommitted changes. Okay, and these are three benefits. I repeat, first one benefit is undo the changes when a transaction is rolled back. Number two is recover the database to a consistent state in case of database failure. And number three is it ensures a read consistency. That means other transaction do not see the uncommitted changes made to the database. Okay, so these are the benefits of rollback segment. And number three is how many types of rollback segment is there. Okay, so there are two types of rollback segment is there. First one is private rollback segment. What is private rollback segment? Private rollback segment works when there is a single database instance, when there is a single database instance or single server. And another is public rollback segment. What is public rollback segment? In case of RAC or real application cluster, there are multiple parallel server or multiple instances will run at the same time. In that case, public rollback segment will work. Okay, so I repeat, how many types of rollback segment? There are two types. One is private rollback segment, which works actually in single database instance or single server, and public rollback segment, which basically works on when there is a RAC or a real application cluster or multiple database server or multiple instances works together. Okay, so that's all for this today's video tutorial. I think this video was informative for you, and if this video was useful for your learning, and if this video have added some value to your learning, just give a like and comment below about the video, and also subscribe my channel so that you can get the notification of my next video, and also share my channel name or video link to your friends, colleagues, and to them who you know, so that they can also learn from my video and also make their skill as well. Okay, So and also, if you want to join my online training session, I since I am I already told that I have been providing this all trainings on Oracle and different technologies and Unix technologies during last 10 years. So if you just want to join my any of the online training session on Oracle SQL or Oracle PL SQL programming or Oracle database architecture or design or Oracle database administration or Oracle performance tuning or Oracle forms and reports development or Unix shell programming or scripting, any of training you want to attend, I am taking these training sessions online, and these training sessions are interactive training sessions, and you if you have any doubt, you can just ask the question and you can get the immediate answer on that same session. Okay, so if you want to join any of my training, this whatever I told, you just contact me over the WhatsApp number or email ID mentioned in the description section of each video, and just contact me over my WhatsApp number or email ID if you have more queries on joining the training session. I'll reply back on your message or email. Okay, so that is a short process. After completing the short process, you can just immediately join my online training session, whatever session you wish to join. Okay, so that's all for this today's video tutorial session. I'll come with a next tutorial session again, and till then, thank you for watching this video, and bye.